Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and today we are going to make a small test how fast and reliable the face unlock is on the smartphone. So let's go for the settings and tap on the biometrics and the security, go for the face recognition, input your current log method, and as you can see when we are here we can use the fastest recognition. So at the first we are going to use the normal recognition, and after that we are going to check how it works with this one. So let's make a few times, like 5 tries or something like that. As you can see, it works really fast, and after that 5 tries we can say that it is reliable. So right now let's go for the face recognition, and then let's turn on faster recognition, and right now let's take a look how it works. Yeah, definitely it's faster than normal. It's like lightning, very fast. So yeah, as you can see, that's how work the face recognition on the S21 Ultra. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!